Well, new businesses continue to pop up in our area, and that will soon include a new distillery that will be opening its doors over in Flower Bluff. That's where we find Sunrise reporter Chelsea Torres this morning. And Chelsea, it all sounds exciting, so give us an idea what to expect.
Well, Mike, it's called Aerodrome Distilling. It's over here off of Aviation Drive, right next to the Corpus Christi Naval Air Station base, and it's owned by a soon-to-be retired naval officer. Now, his goal here is to bring something completely new and different to the Corpus Christi area. It's the first of its kind in Corpus Christi.
I wanted to do something different, something fun in my retirement. So I decided I would build a distillery.
California native Nathan Bitts retires next year after 25 years in the U.S. Navy. He hopes Aerodrome Distillery will help build up the Flower Bluff area.
There are those gems in Corpus Christi that are doing it right, and I just want to help. I want to jump on that bandwagon and be like, hey guys, here's one more place that's going to be doing it right.
He plans to open Aerodrome Distillery in a month, focused on the craft of bourbon using all Texas grains and products.
Most people don't make bourbon because of that the new barrels are expensive. And so every time you fill in a barrel, it has to be a new one.
As well as gin, inspired by Bitts' tours across the world, highlighting the flavors of different regions.
And I'm going to classify them by the Navy fleet concentration areas. So like 3rd Fleet is all West Coast, California, Washington, Hawaii. And then 7th Fleet is all Asia, Japan, Korea. 5th Fleet is all Middle East.
Tucked in an old warehouse, Aerodrome will be a distillery where you can get tastings, take mixology classes, and hold special events.
We've had 2 graduations. We had a baby shower.
But you will not find a TV in this establishment. The premise, to simply come hang out and be social.
And it'll just be a great place for people to come, enjoy a gin and tonic or an old-fashioned, just relax, chill out, let the kids play, and just enjoy themselves.
Now, Nathan Bitts says that Corpus Christi has the best climate to create some bourbon because of the heat and humidity. So, of course, once it's finished, you'll really be able to taste what a perfect Corpus Christi bourbon is all about. You can find more information about this distillery on our website, christv.com, later on this morning. I'll go and send it back to you in the studio.
All right. Good to know that heat and humidity, good for some.